is your Hit the Deck workout. Yes, we're doing a high intensity interval training. Very quick today, just 5 minutes to get your heart rate up, burning some calories, and leaving feeling incredible. Now, you're gonna leave feeling incredible today. And yes, the YouTube workouts are pretty phenomenal. You're gonna get, pretty good results. However, how would you feel if you could wake up every day and feel like you're going to after this workout? Wow, you would be able to conquer the world. And that's one of the things that we have inside the Burn method, inside the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app, right? Because we put your mindset first. 100% is your mindset. So when we tackle that and we get you to have an amazing attitude with all of our incredible mindset programs and lives that we do, the nutrition's gonna be easier and the workouts are gonna seem simpler. So if you haven't already, download the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app, start the Burn method, and you can get a discount today. All the details are in the description. Okay, get yourself psyched up because we are ready to hit the deck. Before we get started, let's just get our mindset straight and take a nice big breath in. So feet hip width distance apart, bring your arms out to the side and just have a moment of gratitude. A gratitude for your arms, your legs, your body. Take a nice big inhale and a big exhale everything out. Drop those shoulders, just see how different you feel just by changing your state. Imagine if you could feel like that every single day. All right, we've got 5 exercises. We have got some killer workouts that we are going to tackle today. So first exercise that we are going to do is we're going to take it into a cross jumping jack, right? So I don't even care what you look like. If it feels good, it looks good. So here we go. We've got 40 seconds on the clock. We're just going to bring those arms in front and bring those hands out to the side. Modified version. You can do this, okay? Everything that we do can be modified. It can be made harder. You can add on ankle weights. You can add on our wrist weights, right? You can add holding weights. You can always make something a little bit more challenging, and you can always make something a little bit more simple depending on where you're at. Do not make where you're at wrong. Just own it. Be like, yes, I'm here. I was here last week, and now I am here. Celebrate how far you have come. All right, in and out for 3 and 2 and 1 and release. Okay, great job. Starting to get nice and warm. We're gonna take it into skater hops. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it across your body. Either modified version, you're gonna step from side to side, or you can add in that jump. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So add in the jump. Make it a little bit more challenging. Taking it across your body. Now really get nice and low. The lower you get, the more you're gonna add it in a little bit more of that strength training too. That's it, shoot your arm forward. Now think about it. How is your attitude today? Is it focused? Is it bold? Is it certain, right? Say the words that you need to right now to give you the confidence to make sure that you achieve the things you want to in life. That's it, take that leg across. And we got this for 5. Breathe. And 4, yes. 3, speed it up a little bit, and 2, and give me 1 more, and release. All right, take a nice big breath in. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. All right, we're gonna take it into our reach ups with a jump in and out. So reach up, down, and then jump in and out. Here we go, so reach up and down, 2 little jumps in and out. Modified version, guess what? You're just gonna step it from side to side. There is literally no excuse. Here we go, little jump in and out. Reach all the way down, in and out. Breathe through it. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out. Little jump in and out. Here we go, reach nice and high. Don't do this. There's nothing about that. That is good attitude. Reach up to the sky, tap all the way down and in and out. Here we go, up and breathe. You got this. Extend up to the sky, down and in and out. Just like that. Okay, you're gonna come to the top of your mat. We're gonna take it into a nice high skip. Again, modified version. Come down, just take out that skip. Take out the jump. You wanna make it a bit more challenging? Just add in the skip. That's it, slow and controlled. As we get started, then we're gonna speed it up, okay? So first of all, get that technique right. It's not about how fast you go, it's about being consistent. Most people do something and they go full in and all of a sudden they can't keep up with it, right? Because it's either too complicated or they're just not motivated because the person guiding them isn't about the motivation and the mindset, right? That's why we are different. We're gonna create consistency. We're gonna create discipline. Jump up just a little bit higher, press down in the ground, lift up, give me one more, and gently release. Okay, we're gonna take it into alternating repeaters. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna come in, and then you're gonna take it back over to the other side. So step forwards and backwards. Take your breath, big exhale out, and here we go. So in, take it back, and step forward. Whew, here we go. That's it, so breathe in through your nose, exhale everything out. Bring those arms up. Now get that crunch. Really stretch your arms up. If you're just doing this, well, how you do anything is how you do everything, right? If you really give it some effort and you really go for it, no matter if you're making your bed, doing your dishes, doing your homework, doing your job work, doing your business work, whatever it is, do it to the best of your ability. Here we go. We got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, final exercise. Take a nice breath. Big exhale out, and as you do, give yourself a smile. We're gonna do 2 jumps into a squat, 2 little jumps, squat. Modified version, take it into a squat, up and down, okay? Jump, jump, squat. The hallucination is that, oh, well, I can't do that exercise, so I'm just not gonna do it. No, we wanna change that mindset to be going, you know what, I can't do that exercise just yet. However, I do know that if I keep going and I keep working towards it, one day it's gonna be possible. But if you have the negative mindset, I tell you what, it's just never gonna happen. Tap, and here we go. We got this. Breathe. 10 seconds left. Push your knees out to the side. Keep your chest lifted. Inhale and exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! And just like that, we have done it. 5 minutes gone like that. Now, you've only done 5 minutes. Real results happen when you just do a little bit more. I put some more workouts for you guys. You're gonna love them. It's the perfect thing to do after this workout. Enjoy, have fun, keep smiling, and I'll see you in our next workout.